Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Gmail account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now, to create a Gmail account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in Gmail like this and hit enter. And after that, you can see the Gmail private and secure email at no cost. Click over there, and on this interface you can see you can create an account from over here. Directly click on create an account on the top right corner or the bottom left corner, it's on your choice. Let's go. And after landing on this page, you can see this is the registration page of the Gmail itself. You'll be required to enter your name over here like this, your last name, and choose your Gmail and enter your password. Okay, let's choose a Gmail that is valid. Let's go with 2, and let's enter the password and let's confirm the password, and let's click on next. And after that, you'll be required to enter your phone number over here, your recovery email address over here, but these are optional. You cannot choose to enter your phone or your recovery email, but you will have to enter your birth date like this and select your gender. And after that, click on next, and let's read all these informations and terms and conditions by Google, and let's click on I agree. And there guys, we have successfully created a Gmail account on our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.